Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Today I just got the Moto E5 Plus in the house. Shouts to UPS, they dropped it off today. I just ordered this on Friday from Text Now Wireless. As you can see, this is the new logo box that you'll get when you order from Text Now Wireless. Now, so no further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and check the phone out itself. All right, now it does look a little different for the simple fact that Text Now had to pre-install their software with the applications and things, so it doesn't come in a regular Motorola package, but it does include all the necessary accessories, like the cables and things in that sort. So yeah, let's just take a look. Right now it's on the case. The case is already, on the phone, and it looks pretty good. So let's just see what the phone actually looks like without the gel case on the phone. So it's rubbery, it's clear. So just keep that in mind. It's not the best of cases, but something to protect it. All right. Now, OMG, like Motorola, what are you doing? Like, this is not like glass. This is plastic, all right? Just keep that in mind. This is a plastic back, but it is shiny. I don't think it's a fingerprint magnet. Let me dust it off like Flossie Corner. Anyways, okay, so what you get with this device, you get 5,000 milliamp battery plus TurboPower. You get a 6-inch max vision display, 12 megapixel camera plus laser autofocus. And we're definitely going to check some more camera testings. Reflective wave design. Oh, so that's what that is. Reflective, yeah, because you can. Oh, okay, I see what it's doing. Oh, all right, okay. With fingerprint reader, fingerprint. About time Motorola opened that up. I guess they got to get the patents anyway. And Moto experience. All right, so we're just gonna move that to the side. Also, Text Now gives you instructions on how to set up the device and how to set up the application and what you can do with the app. All that it covers. And if you have any issues, all you gotta do is go to textnow.com/support, and I'll leave a link in the description box. All right, let's see. Comes with the Motorola turbo charger. All right. Also, you get a USB, micro USB, not USB-C, unfortunately, but it charges fast. So, you got to take the cheap route. But like I said, Motorola chargers are pretty good. So nothing against that. And you get your SIM ejector tool. All right. So let me go ahead and put this back in the case. We're going to go boot it up for the first time. And all right, let's peel it off. All right. 6-inch, massive. This is a massive phone, ladies. Well, something massive, get the Moto E5 Plus. All right, let's power it up. Here we go. Might take a little minute because this is first boot up.
Hello, Moto.
There we go. Also, I'm shooting this video with the Nokia 6.1. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All right. Okay, let's see, what is it doing? All right. All right. I'm not even gonna lie, for this to be a 1080p display, I mean, not 1080p, but 720. This is a 720 display. It doesn't look that bad. Got a system update. Wow, July. Okay. Maybe we gotta do a little bit more. So yeah, this is how your phone is going to look out the box, out the gate. Like I said, I'm gonna set it up to the Wi-Fi, update the system, and things in that sort. But this is the basic setup. You got your basic functions. So really, this is interesting that it said it's locked to Sprint, but you didn't see the Sprint logo, pop up or anything. But if you let's see. Okay, so you got Sprint's voicemail app, which is interesting that TextNow did that. I guess they can uninstall it, but we're gonna see if we can uninstall it. Matter of fact, let's try to see if we can uninstall it. Nope. You can force stop it. You cannot disable the voicemail app, which is very odd, but it is. As you can see, it's glued to Sprint. All right. But yeah, as you can see, we got updates and things and sorts. So yeah. Wow. Okay. And yes, this phone has a headphone jack. All right. The phone has a headphone jack. I forgot you do have a SIM tray, or not dual SIM, but you could put a SD card in this device. It has FM radio, so you can listen to your favorite radio stations right out the gate. You got your Google Essentials. Let's see, you got your Moto. Let's see what the Moto. All right. Okay. All right, so you have all these Moto features. You got make your commute easier. You got plenty of storage, 25 gigs of internal memory out the gate without the SD card. Power for hours. So, this is a 5,000 milliamp battery. Here's your Moto actions. Okay. So you got quick screenshot. You got chop twice for flashlight, twist to capture. You got swipe to shrink screen for those with small hands. You got pick up to stop ringing. You got flip for do not disturb. All right, those for all your Moto actions on the Moto E5 Plus. All right, for your Moto display, you got night display. Your screen will automatically reduce blue light, which may impact sleep. Okay, you ain't got attentive display. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it. And then, of course, you got the usual Moto display, friendly notifications, fade in and out while the screen is off. All right, so you got that typical Motorola actions, which is very interesting. They have all those actions and features on this low budget $100 part smartphone. Only paid $129 with the $20 discount on TextNow Wireless. And like I said, that's really no bloatware. The only bloatware is, of course, the TextNow My Account and TextNow app and Sprint's voicemail, which once again, I'm not sure why that still have to be there, but it is what it is. Yeah, you don't have Android Messages app, so your texting will come from the TextNow app. So, but you can still have the dollar. You still got stock dollar, so that's a good thing. All right, so keep that in mind. Also, my bad. Let's check out settings, system, and yeah, you're on Android 8.0. I'm not sure if it's going to get updated to 8.1. This is the Moto E5 Plus. All right. So that's all your information. Yeah, guys, this looks like a real good device. I definitely would recommend this device. If you want a phone that you can keep off the charger, let's say you going on a trip and you don't want to have a portable charger with you or anything like that, this will be that device. And if Sprint's good in your area, because unfortunately this one's locked to Sprint's network, not T-Mobile or AT&T or Verizon, but they do have an unlocked version that costs a little more than what this one is, but it just depends. If you want a 6-inch display, Speaking of display, let's check out the display settings real quick. Let's see if there's any different. Okay, go to advanced. All right, so you have sleep for 30 seconds, device rotation, display default size. Okay, color mode. Here we go. Color mode. Okay, so right now it's on neutral. It's on natural, neutral. Let's see what it looks like on cool. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see the difference on cool. Vibrant. It's on vibrant display. Let's see what it looks like on standard. And then we got warm. So I think these will also help your battery life as well. I truly like that, the fact that you have options on how you want your display to look and how much battery life you want to save. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you gotta like Android devices, especially Motorola. I think I'm a Motorola fanboy. I don't know how many Motorola phones I have. I might have just to do a video about that. But yeah, man, this is pretty neat. Okay, so I'm not sure if it got the latest Bluetooth capabilities, but you can connect to your Chromebook. Interesting. You got cast, of course. You got printing. Let's check out network settings. Wi-Fi calling. Wow, this has Wi-Fi calling on a device. Cellular network. Okay. All right. Then you got mobile hotspot. So that's unlocked. You got VPN. Let's check the VPN. No VPNs. I wonder if it has the Google VPN stuff, but yeah. Overall, guys, okay, got suggestions telling me to use a fingerprint to unlock, add an email account, on body detection, this and that sort. Let's see. Face ID, anything about Face ID, Google Play Protect, you got Find My Device, security update. Oh, okay. That's interesting. I didn't really pay attention that actually showed that, but okay. So that's actually a faster way to find out what update you got on your security. I just got to update the phone, guys. That's all. So, all right, let's see what else we got. What else we can actually find on this device. Okay, SIM card lock. You got encryption. SIM card lock. You can lock the SIM card. You got screen pinning, meaning if you don't want anybody to get in your smartphone or use any other apps, you could pin the dollar. If that's all you want them to use, you could pin the dollar or